Hey, what's up guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we'll be talking about a new project, an important project, Xauras Protocol. And for the past few days guys, I've been seeing the news about this particular project all over the place, both on different media companies, different social accounts, and as well different Telegram groups. You can see this is International Tech Times, and you can see this particular news about Xauras Protocol. Xauras launches with strong global momentum, positioning itself as a game changer in the $100 billion DeFi lending market. All right. Now, if you check other media companies such as this one that says Coin Edition, you're going to see the same news concerning the Xauras protocol. Xauras enters the crypto market not as a product but a revolution, redefining the future of decentralized lending. If you also check out a different media company, which is Benzinga, you're going to see the same news concerning the Xauras protocol. If you check out this particular company, Financial Markets Network, you're going to see the same news concerning the Xauras network, even on investing.com. So this is all over the place. All right. And over here, guys, is their official website, xauras.io. And guys, if you check out this particular site, you're going to see some more details concerning this particular project, Xauras. All right. Now, this is a groundbreaking decentralized autonomous organization, DAO, which uses blockchain technology to provide users with financial control over their assets. Unlike traditional platforms that operate using centralized control, Xauras rely on a structured proposal, a democratic governance model, and consensus-based outcomes. All right, you could just do well to come up here and read some more details concerning this particular project. If you continuously scroll down, guys, you're going to see some more details concerning this particular Xauras protocol. All right, you can see over here, guys, they have a couple of features like this one that says lend to earn, safe borrowing, token staking, dynamic interest rates, collateralization, and liquidation. All right, so this simply means, guys, you'll be able to stake your assets in this particular site and earn some return on investments, and then as well you'll be able to lend cryptocurrencies and earn, and as well borrow some cryptocurrencies using some assets as collateral. All of that in this particular site. All right, and additional features, guys, scrolling down, you see this is open to everybody, and it has a kind of dual interest rate model. It has also layered security and as well community governance. All right, now here is why you should choose this Xauras protocol. It has an on-chain transparency, rock solid security, and passive income. All right, so you can actually earn passively in this particular Xauras protocol, and then through inclusivity, instant crypto loans, autonomous governance, and so on. All right, this is it about this particular project. You could just come up here, guys, and check out some more detail concerning this particular Xauras protocol. Like I said, guys, this is an upcoming project and it's looking to take over, so you don't have to be late on this. All right, now one captivating thing concerning this particular Xauras protocol is their new airdrop. All right, and insider information has it that this particular Xauras protocol is going to launch an airdrop come 2025-2026. all right, so all you have to do, guys, is just to be part of it and stay close onto this. All right, airdrops are the sweetest part of it because you actually stand the chance of getting their tokens early and as well claiming out some USD or USDT from this particular project when you sell the airdrop. All right, so stay close, and in case you like cryptocurrency content like this, do well to give this video a thumbs up. We really appreciate that. You go ahead and smash the subscribe button down below and turn on your notification bell to also you always get notifications of important videos like this. I'll be bringing you more updates on this particular Xauras protocol, on their airdrop details, and as well every other update concerning this particular project. All you have to do, guys, is just to stay close, and if you have questions to ask, do well to put it down in the comment section, and I promise to respond to your questions immediately. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Goodbye for now.